Did you know ketchup was once sold as a cure for stomach troubles? Yes, this tasty red sauce we all love was a medicine in the 1830s. Dive into its fascinating journey from a healer to your favorite condiment. Ketchup is more than just a topping. It's a story. In the 1830s, ketchup wasn't just for fries. It was believed to cure stomach aches, indigestion, and even the flu. Inspired by ancient Chinese sauces, this flavorful history takes us through the kitchens of Europe, the medical experiments of Dr. John Cook Bennett, and ketchup's rise to fame as the delicious condiment we know today. In this video, discover how ketchup started as a fish-based sauce in China. The surprising medical claims that turned ketchup into a superfood in the 1830s. Why Dr. Bennett's ketchup pills became a sensation. How ketchup evolved into the sweet, tangy sauce we love on burgers and fries. Join us on this fun and tasty journey through time, perfect for curious kids and families. You'll never look at ketchup the same way again. Did you know that this yummy ketchup you love on your fries and burgers wasn't always just a tasty sauce? A long, long time ago, people thought ketchup could heal your tummy when you were sick. Yes, it was once used as medicine. Let's travel back almost 200 years to the 1830s, a time when life was very different. There were no cars, no TVs, and definitely no video games. Back then, people didn't have the same medicines we do today. They had to use natural things like plants, herbs, and even food to feel better when they were sick. Ketchup didn't always start as the tomato sauce we know today. It was actually inspired by a recipe from China. Long ago, people there made a sauce from fish and spices called Ketchup. When this idea traveled to Europe and America, people started making their own versions. They tried using mushrooms, walnuts, and eventually, tomatoes. In the 1830s, a doctor named Dr. John Cook Bennett had a big idea. He thought tomatoes were magical. He believed they could cure all kinds of tummy problems, like indigestion, which is when your tummy feels upset after eating. Dr. Bennett told everyone that tomatoes were so healthy that if you turned them into ketchup, they could work like medicine. He started selling ketchup in bottles, not just as a tasty sauce but as a way to make people feel better. Imagine that, ketchup as a magic potion. Families started buying ketchup not just for eating, but because they believed it could heal them. Dr. Bennett's ketchup wasn't just for fries, it was for fixing stomach aches too. People thought ketchup could do amazing things. They believed it could help with tummy aches, poor digestion, even the flu. Doctors and sellers made pills out of dried ketchup powder and sold them in little bottles. They said, "Take this, and you'll feel better in no time." Ketchup was like a superhero of food back then. But here's the thing. Just because ketchup is yummy doesn't mean it can fix a sick tummy. Over time, scientists started studying tomatoes and ketchup. They found out that while tomatoes are super healthy and full of vitamins, ketchup couldn't actually cure diseases like people thought. Eventually, people stopped buying ketchup as medicine and started using it only as a tasty treat. But that's okay, because even today, tomatoes are still good for you. They're full of vitamins that help your body stay strong. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, ketchup became more popular as a sauce for food. Companies like Heinz started making ketchup that was sweeter, thicker, and perfect for adding flavor to fries, burgers, and hot dogs. And guess what? People loved it so much that ketchup became one of the most popular sauces in the whole world. Here are some fun facts about ketchup. Every year, millions of bottles of ketchup are sold all over the world. Ketchup was once made from mushrooms before tomatoes became the star ingredient. The word ketchup comes from the Chinese word Ketchup, which means fish sauce. There's even green, purple, and blue ketchup made just for fun. Ketchup is special because it brings flavor and fun to so many meals. It's sweet, tangy, and just the right amount of yummy. Even though it's not medicine anymore, it still makes people happy, one squeeze at a time. So, next time you dip your fries into ketchup, remember its amazing journey. From being a magical medicine in the 1830s to becoming the tasty sauce we love today, ketchup has a story that's just as colorful as its bright red color. Who knew a simple sauce could have such a fun history? And that's the tale of ketchup, once a medicine, now a delicious treat. What's your favorite way to eat ketchup? If you enjoyed learning about ketchup, from being a magical medicine in the 1830s to becoming the tasty sauce we love today, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Legacy of Eras, for more fascinating stories about history, innovation, and culture. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode.